therefore, still on a very controversial incident between a Reverend Obofor Osofo Ebruka MSND no sorry. And Abrante Razak Oklu allegedly or shiwi Osofo Ebruka sorry no. Still on that whole controversy no. Another controversial personality Ghana. He's the most controversial lawyer Ghana. Your friend lawyer Maurice Ampao. But then send me betuja. For which in some what did to job who say, hey, Pape, open once more. But I'm not surprised because lawyer Maurice Ampao say, and everyone knows him to be of this nature. Now, as someone would abetuja and say, Odi yao, was send your police for air handle Reverend Obofor nsem. Now, when him say police for Sebe, now can kwashwe kwa bia Sebe, what he baby, and police for intempara, one member kwa chisa and the patrono. Nti ono Maurice Ampao no dia or send your police for brofa we use here was this snail pace. That is a police for send your asem no as a one person woman yana asem no etikoda woman nya ni serious woman fan ni serious no eye ne ya ye pa na wakasa e Hot FM say mo be kaya embra Reverend Obofor nsem no esi ye no eye journalist bi e Hot FM na say sa journalist no was sorry ye ekasa ye efre IGP say IGP Entry Reverend Obofor. After sa journalists no, and making sa comments no, and a lot of Ghanaians were rallying behind the journalists. And at the Kremuno, IGP no so Efre Reverend Obofor. Intinango fu bebe eka se enye journalists we are and kasebe police for kawamuntu insa Efre Reverend Obofor. Intino Maurice Ampao echo the same radio station Hot FM. And na worker sansem no. And na worker say wodi yaw papa say police for say motena se etwen ema enkrofo call for pressure and sana sebe mwedi jumebi ti say because nipa kono wedi bone waye ade a etia Ghana mra nti ade na wo say motwen ema enkrofo the pressure to police force and sana mo fe Reverend Obofor na wo say ade we ya ade bi a AC wo Ghana na say wo hwa pastors etumi ye enyama bi a wotumi hu say hey ade we ya asofo we aye nanke ordinary citizen bi na ye ya nanke ya chino nti ya chino etifo nya chiketwa nanso ube say pastor aye na say pastor no woko free pastor abeye na pastor no woko free to say Reverend Osupemba dia woko Hot FM a woko ye ube say afei obi fufu na koye ya nanke ya chini pakuna atum na sa pastor bi beye na say pastor ni ko free to no more sample no won ti ase pastors in Sicily, you say they are big enough, like almost too much. They are even bigger than the law. No one tells one no lawyer need one him say law no will be a ensign law no. Now the person we reading one kasa ne no munsem na mote asema si ye. Asema what kind of say I am extremely disappointed in the police because we shouldn't have started a campaign before they arrest him. Most pastors of today are engaging in criminal acts with impunity. Was it odi ne ho ya e police for mu say say wo mo twen e ma omo Hot FM for na share campaign we ase and say na police for react to it na tell say na ka say we see na wo bia ankasa amfa wo bia ankole for IGP and wo bia ankole for police say police enkoche Reverend Obofor na nka wonya sure say police for ebekwa akoche Reverend Obofor. Na pastors of today wo share criminal activities a wo mo ya ase akukudu a wo mo dey serious. Video bi Bible say pastor was say in the name of healing someone e wa sorry o na we pagya nipa kono de na bofom na wa fa nipa kono konja e de hwe nipa kono so ebi mo ya ma won the speakers kra esi nipa kono so na tell say when near was here criminal act because we say be wo hu obi e wa bonten na wo pagya no na de ne hwe for man especially nipa kono wo ya ase nipa kono wo yare especially se nipa kono yare a police for becho. Now so wo yari say wo mo call pastors and wo mo call sorry na pastors di juma die we di omo now so police went to me nya hwe pastors no so omo hu ne say obi to me for mo san kan omo so they do it with impunity so wo be kai a Reverend Obofor de ne kra wakata branch and say branch and so we no na obi to me che no obi to me nya ne hwe na tell say Reverend Obofor ne ka no wonim say pastors there police want to me nya omo hwe. Was it the things they do in their churches are sometimes insulting and provoke people, disturbing public peace. All these are captured on social media, which affects the minds of children. was say nyama pastors ne ye no eto de bia eye di atem a esam so hye nkrofo ebufuo eye no kran so na nyama we ya wo mo ye nia no just a disturb public peace obi ti na ho anu wo dwendwe ho akola bi hu ade we e wo TV so a obon say ebe affect akola na adwen what you say aha na nse social media so abaye de nkola no wo mo hwe bibia wan hwe ya ade a wo ba wo be hu say wo hwe no na wo yem kra hyehyew na what you say he further stated that because no one is monitoring Reverend Obofor's action, he has become so arrogant and have deviated from doing the work of God. I say, acquire say authority be anyone. Unim said, Reverend Obofor obinim any those pastors no very famous. Most of the famous pastors say Ghana no. Woman share equase. You were Christianity ko bebre. Christian Council, Catholic Indian Council. But Reverend Obofor mo woman share equal we ase nti no yentumi en control omo. Nanka wo mo hye ekuo bi say ase a nanka wo mo ko overboard abon say ekuo ni mpanyifo be ba abonte abe control omo. Inti nsem bi say na ngofo free Christian Council for no mo aba abonte abe ka say pastors na bo mu di say dwumadie no they are not under us so we can't do anything about it. No kran so inti dia work and say wo hwe Reverend Obofor a wa ya masesia no wotumi ye won dwe hu say police obetumi ani bibi. As the Reverend Obofor is becoming swollen-headed, he is deviating from his calling because of arrogance to the extent of saying overtaking is allowed. In the same Reverend Obofor can say overtaking is allowed no. And no na work can say see Reverend Obofor Ghana fire mandatory ayokono. Na ade a Nyankopon afre ne say wonya ne see Reverend Obofor wonya sa ade no. Also we was overtaking is allowed. Was he smoke the weed? The meeting country no Reverend Obofor Kata branch and they say one she weed no be to me nya ne hwe. Was he smoke the weed? No one can do you anything. How dare him? He could be punished severely to let other pastors know that they are not above the law. Now, what Fred say Emrano any Reverend Obofor ending ye. I say Emrano any Reverend Obofor ending ye pa natural say a pastors for and also for a Ghana has say no. Wo mu hu ne say hwe. Emra wa how. Na amama kai Emra assembly a Stonebwoy edituja. Zemo amokai say Stonebwoy ne Shatawale wo mu wo ye court. Na Emra Stonebwoy court no eno ka say hey we hu bibi wo Ghana. Na what a Ghana na se be Emra nchewa ebe ye say Emra eni Ghana. Emra cho ni ye de wo court a ena wo be hu say hey Emra wo Ghana na enso wo mu ye intia. Intia no ene nsema eye that's just by the way but no nsema Morris Ampao, lawyer Morris Ampao, what they atuja. Was say police for Sanya Chumna more yeno, I say more yemo who say and what more co slow. I say Reverend Obofor mo betchino monchino Ghana di enim. Ube hanes asem no ewu. Not just a Reverend Obofor sa. I say Obini means sema esi mobekaya. Very long time ago. Obini meko bo nkrofobi ewo radio station one ni junior pastor bi. Sa asem no so ba ekoya matter say. Sabe ekodane as a foolish case bisano. Aha. Intino Morris Ampao and Sema Wode Atujwe, a lot of people are siding with him. A lot of people. And I mean so what I was saying is in the name of say we pastor intino, say wo kase maye nche odi a ene nanka we ase wo bia better than pastor. What you say? Nanka bia better than pastor. After all, nyame frɛ no ne yenye ni ho. Nyame on kan che yen say wo no na afrɛ wo. Wo na wo ka atre yen say nyame aye den afrɛ wo. A wo preachi. What you say? And wo na wo ka atre yen say nyame afrɛ wo. Na sa wo ka atre yen say nyame afrɛ wo, na nyame no kan che yen say wo frɛ wo ya. Nanka I say send your pastor say ya ye jai omo yenye omo hwe no. Nanka wo mo a wo mo ye wudifuo, cocaine dealers na nanka mekwa koye pastors because omo ni say pastors ye yemfa yensa enkan. Nti asem na Morris Ampao we Canada me dem me fo ane so papa because na say videos a wo behu they asofo eye wo mo ne nkrofo yere eda in the name of brana beji akwantre no mo ne nkrofo yere deda na nyama no etiefo yan heni ya obo say asofo they asofo din na say Kofi Kinata bonjumbi o say asofo no wo mo bedi sebe ensemfo wo kwasa wo kokan wo say ya tro Bible ni say touch not my anointed. Na tese wo de won saka nyame nipa nyame ebufu hye wo beba wo so eno a na tese mo de ehwehwan ya up to now wo mo de ehwehwan yan nti osofo edi nsanfun bi kra na wontumi ye dan enka because so kwa kan ye beka say eh wo cassette anyame nipa nyame ebufusio beba oso na omo de ehwenwan ye wo man we mu a meanwhile the asofo ne ye na enye nti media this call from lawyer Maurice Sample no me foaso papa montra mo adwon comment box me tie for me that say